up? This is your girl Jessica. Welcome back to my channel again. Today's video I'm going to be doing this beautiful look using the 35Xo Morphe palette and combining it with the Out and About Very Necessary lip kit. These two guys are the holiday Morphe collection. I'm super excited to show you guys how I created this look. This palette is just so freaking beautiful. The color story is all mauve shades. We got our purples, our pinks, and a couple of our brown shades as well. And yes, our shimmers are very pigmented and creamy. I did swatch a couple of our shimmers, as you can see, and also the shades that we are going to be using today. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first shade we're going to be applying is the color Touchy Feely, and we're going to be placing that above our crease and blending that, and that will be our first transitional shade. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to be picking up is the shade called Talk Feelings, and I'm just going to be applying into the outer corner and just focusing that and just deepening that area up and just working my way through the crease and deepening also that crease up with the same shade. Now I'm going to be grabbing my firm blending brush, and I'm going to just start cleaning up the edges and around the eyeshadow just to have a clean slate look. And now onto the fun part, the glitter. I'm going to be applying this rose gold shade called Crushing Hard. This is more of a chunky glitter texture, not a shimmer. But once you apply it into the lid and you kind of work with it and you warm it up, it will kind of be a little creamier and it will be easy to work with. So now we're going to be jumping into our brow bone, and I'm going to be using the shade Your Move and just placing that right into our brow bone just to highlight that area. Okay, so now I'm going to be picking up the color Happy Ever After, and now we're going to intensify the outer corner and the crease with that shade and deepening that area up. So now I'm going to go back to the same first shade that we used, the touchy feeling one, and I'm just going to be applying that shade above the crease again. Now I'm going to be applying this Your Move shimmer shade and applying that into our inner corner. Okay guys, so I'm going to finish up my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're going to go to our lower lash line and I'm going to be grabbing the shade Happy Ever After and just blending that underneath. Okay, so now onto the lip kit. I am going to be applying a little bit of foundation into our lips just to prep our lip. Okay, so now onto the liner. I'm going to be applying the shade My Jam. Now onto the matte lipstick, I'm going to be applying the shade Play Games. Last but not least, I'm going to be applying the lip gloss in the shade Froze. Alright guys, so this is the completed look using the palette and the lip kit. Okay guys, so this concludes my video using the 35X Morphe palette and the Out and About Very Necessary lip kits. I freaking love these two products. I highly recommend for you guys to check it out. This palette is just so gorgeous. If you guys love a mauve, purple, pink shades, this is your palette. I freaking love it. And I believe there are 2 more shades of this Out and About on the holiday collection, but obviously I had to get this one because come on, you guys know me, I love my purples and pink shades, so I had to get it. All right guys, well this concludes my review and tutorial. I'll see you guys on the next one. If you guys want to see more of my tutorials, my fashion and reviews, click on that subscribe button, push that notification for all my future videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.